Question 8. The table shows the amount of snow in centimetres that fell each day for 30 days. Work out an estimate for the mean amount of snow per day. Well, we can see that we have our snow grouped into intervals here. I've got snow of depth between 0 and 10, 10 and 20, 20 and 30, 30 and 40, 40 and 50. And I know the number of days that amount of snow fell. So I know that for 8 days, somewhere between 0 and 10 centimetres of snow fell. Work out an estimate for the mean. It is an estimate because I can't have accurate values. I don't know exactly how much fell each day. I just know that it was between these values. And so the first thing I want is a midpoint of these intervals. Now a good way to find the midpoint is to add the two endpoints and divide by 2. So 0 add 10 is 10, divide by 2 is 5. 10 add 20 divided by 2 is 15. 20 add 30 divided by 2 is 25. 30 add 40 divided by 2 is 35. And 40 add 50 divided by 2 is 45. Now I know what the midpoint of those groups are. This is where the estimate comes in. I'm going to assume that for those 8 days, 5 centimetres fell on each day. And so the next column I'm going to add to my table here is the midpoint times the frequency. And so 8 times 5 is 40. 10 times 15, 150. 7 times 25 is 175. And 2 times 35 is 70. 3 times 45 is 135. Now, mean, add them all up. So this is now the sum of snow for all of those days. So let's add these together. So this is non-calculator paper. So let's add the units, which is 5 add 5 is 10. Add the tens. 4 add 5 is 9. Add 7 is 16. Add 7 is 23, add 3 is 26, add 1 is 27. So I write the 7, I carry the 2. 1, 2, 3 hundreds, add those 2, 570. And so the estimate for my mean is 570, that's the sum of all the snow, divided by the number of days. And we can see here, a 0 will cancel. This is 57 divided by 3, which is 19.